Hey guys, in my last video, I broke down what I knew all about candle labels. And you may be thinking, well, how do I actually create a premium looking candle label? Well, great news. Right after that video, Kittl actually reached out. And if you've never heard of Kittl, it's a design platform built for business owners, not just designers. And what's really cool is everything in it is geared towards one thing, helping you sell more. They're actually launching something new and I was able to play around with it a little bit. You can literally go from idea to a premium label and brand in just a few minutes. You can literally have your candle brand built entirely inside of Kittl. Name, logo, label, packaging, all of it. And if you're new here, I'm Dominique. I run Zovia Fragrances, and I've sold thousands of candles. And if you go back on my channel, you can see that I'm taking you step by step of building a premium candle brand. And today, I think this video will be extremely helpful for you. Let's get into it. So now we're in Kittl Design Space. They have so many, like thousands upon thousands of templates, and like if you're building a brand, like I want to show you like just like firsthand how easy it is to like build a brand just right in here. And the cool thing is, like, you see this little blank square right here, like you have this whole design space that you're going to be able to put all of your brand assets, and you just save it here and you'll always be able to come back to it. Like it's like a little brand board for you. It's really cool. And they have this new feature called Agentic AI, which is I played around with it a little bit. It's really cool. You literally type like a few words and it'll just make whatever for you. So this is what we're gonna do. This is all just gonna be from the top of my mind. We're gonna create fictional candle brand right now, just so I can show you how easy this is. So you can literally just come down here and describe what you wanted to create, and you'll see this little button here called Agentic AI. And again, we're starting from nothing right now. It's blank on the screen. But what I do know is, so right here, I'm just asking it, hey, I want to create a candle and fragrance brand called Comfy. I want the brand to be modern with lighter colors like creams and beige and whites. Create 3 different logos for me to choose from. And then you just hit generate. And now it's just thinking it through. It's thinking through everything that you said and how it can make it better. And just like that, it spawns like 3 separate boxes there, which is where my logos are going to be. And it just takes a few seconds to generate. And just like that, here are 3 different logo designs that it created for me. And these these look really good. Matter of fact, I think I'm the biggest fan. And this is hard to choose. Like I'm getting like a decision fatigue. Like this is too good. Um, I think I like this one, Comfy Candle and Fragrance. That looks like a really good logo. I love the text style. Yeah, I think we're gonna stick with that one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna delete these. I'm gonna bring this over. Let's fit in there. And then you can click this little thing here, and we can create an image board. So now it's saying, hey, it has your logo. What do you want to create this into? So I'm gonna tell it, I want you to take my logo and create a brand board with fonts, color palettes, with hex codes, and a slogan. So now, once we have our brand board, this is going to turn into something really, really good, right? Because now you have a standard. You know, hey, okay, I have my logo. This is what's going to be on every single thing, packaging wise, the product, whatever. Then you're going to go into your brand board. So now you're going to know what fonts to use, what colors to use with the hex code. So you get the exact color right. You're not guessing. And you have like a little slogan, right? So something that carries on with your brand. Look at this. Look at that. So now we have our logo. We even have the little icon We have our color palette. We have our fonts, what fonts we're going to use, and where comfort finds a scent. I like that, man. Like that sounds good and it looks professional. Like if you're building a real business, like this looks really good. And now what I want to do is create a product, right? So now we'll go to Agentic AI. I think that's good. So let's just see what it comes up with. So generate. Again, guys, this Agentic AI feature, it's still in beta mode, but it is really cool. And you can actually use it. And the link's going to be in the description if you want to try it. And there we go. We have the label on the candle. I want the candle jar to be like a beige ceramic, and I want the comfy logo kind of engraved in the vessel. So let's see what this does. That is awesome. That looks really good. Right. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So that's what we're gonna stick with for the sake of this brand. So that's gonna be our main candle, right? That's what's gonna be built around this whole thing. But say you want candle labels. Okay. What's great about this platform is you can have the system create you different variations of labels, which we will do here, or you can actually go in and create your own label. And they have so many different templates. So create, and you can just go in the template section, just put candle labels. And then on the side here, it has a bunch of different. So like, let's choose this one, for example. Right. And what's good is you can change it. So I'm just gonna say lava vanilla, right? And there's so many, like you can change everything down here. Um, that logo that we created, again, it's in here. You can literally just go like this, go to your AI generated photos. Oh, I need my logo. Look at that. It's here. You can just remove the background. And then if you want this stuff, like I don't want a croissant on there or this chocolate cake, you can just put um this is just a template, so we can get rid of all this stuff. And I'm just gonna leave this here for now because we're just doing like a little demo. But what's cool is like, okay, like you can do anything you want with these letters, right? So you can, if you want them to curve, distort, you know, rise, like, and then you can literally, like, if you're super creative, you have the full tool set here. Like, wow, 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 wow. I just want the A like that, make it look weird, right? There's so many different things you can do. I'm not keeping this, so I'm just kind of messing around, but yeah. So if you're creative, if you want some images in there, remind me like badges. And then obviously you would put everything else that is required of labels, and you would put it in here. Different fonts. I mean, they have a million different fonts in here that you can choose from. And then literally you could just like take this and print it out. Again, this is a terrible label, but I'm just trying to show you this before I get back to the AI feature. We'll get into a whole different label video using this platform in a separate video, but just wanted to give you kind of that thing. But let's get back to the Agentic AI. So again, we now have our label, we have our candle, but say we had you want to create different labels, right? I went to the Agentic AI and I just said, hey, I need 3 different label variations for my lavandilla candle. It's generating 3 labels for us. And the first one, really like it. Really like it. Now, just for the sake of things, I'm actually going to use this one. It's not really on brand-ish, but it looks really cool. So this would probably be, since we're more minimalistic and modern, I would say this probably fits more of our brand. But just for the sake of things, I'm gonna um, I'm gonna choose this one. and I believe you can vectorize it, right? You can change colors, you can do vectorize image. So if you want to edit all this, you can do that as well, right? And you can choose the colors here. I'm not gonna change anything just because I think it looks really good, but just kind of showing you the options you have with this label here. So say, watch this. We can create videos too, right? UGC, viral UGC social. We have our candle. We're gonna bring this in. I think you can just replace it. Look at that. You replace it, and then because it's already attached, we're gonna regenerate this photo. So now it should be holding our comfy candle. And this is gonna be great for like your social medias and um, just anything really. Like this is one of the coolest features I've actually seen on here. I tried it with my candle and it looks like real, like it's really cool. Look at that. Look at that. Our candle now in somebody's hands, right? And now watch this. We're gonna regenerate this and it's gonna create a whole video. And while this is loading, again, if you want to try this Kittl and Agentic AI, you can literally try it for free. And they're offering 50% off all annual plans with the code Agentic, and that is in the description. And what's cool is too, so while this is loading, we can go ahead and do something else, right? So we need, what do we need? We need packaging, right? What's really cool is say you have a label design, you can literally just stick it in right here. It'll go right onto the box. And then you can create different product shots without a photographer, which is insane. All right, that looks good. So now go and just regenerate. And that's gonna be with our La Vanilla label. And these are great marketing assets as well. And just like that, like we've created a whole brand essentially. Look at that. That's insane. And now you have a packaging idea, right? Can you imagine pulling out a candle, this label, this packaging? I mean, this is insane. You want to see it being pulled out? Yeah, just regenerate, regenerate, regenerate. That's so cool, man. Comfy candles. Like it just off the top of the dome created a brand. Insane. That looks really, really good. Really good. And actually that candle fits perfectly. But remember that video that I was talking about before? So let's check out what this made for us. Look, she's holding it and it's a full video.
Okay, I was not expecting this to be this nice.
Like, look at the quality. Look at it.
I've already ordered 3 more. I'm not even joking. Link is in my bio. You're welcome. Okay, I was not expecting this.
That is insanely good. How how AI has gotten this far, I have no idea, but it's really, really cool. And then if you want some like marketing assets, right, you could just go to the templates, right, and then you just give it the tell the in your prompt to say, hey, my candle's $25. I'm giving a discount for $20, and it'll literally just create everything right there for you. So it's only for July 4th. And I'll give it a picture of my candle just so it has that reference and it'll generate. Already created the ad in just a few seconds, right? Summer drive, get your own refreshingly priced up to 20%. It was 20. No, now 20. It was 25. Limited time only. Valid July 4th. Wow. And then you want to go in here. Let's see. You can just say, hey, www.comfycandle.com. Look at that. Just like that, hey, www.comfycandle.com. It's right there. And you can do the same, with this. You can edit anything you want on here, but it makes it look really cool. It even put in our brand color scheme, which is really cool. So as you can see, like there's so many things you can do. Say you need product photos. Let me show you that. And we'll go back to the Agentic AI. Use this image. And just say, hey, I need multiple photos for Shopify. A product photo, a lifestyle photo, and a customer education photo showing our coconut soy wax, wood wick, and high fragrance load, handcrafted. So it's going to take our candle and now it's going to create photos for Shopify for us. And look at that. So just like that, like I had it create some Shopify photos for us. So now we have our main product image. We have a lifestyle photo showing it in the space of someone. And then we just educate them, right? Hey, use a wooden wick, coconut soy wax, high fragrance load, handcrafted. And I would edit this a little bit, but you just see like the power of it. And sometimes you will have to kind of play around, wordplay. I'm not using too detailed of words. So, but you can edit, again, you can edit any of this. So, I'm saying you can vectorize it, you can edit areas. It's really cool. So there you have it. Got like, just like that, we created a whole brand. I have assets for it, labels, product photography. We have ads, marketing assets. So again, if you want to try this, the code and link are down in the description. Really cool tool. And if you're building a brand, or maybe you have a brand and you want to rebrand, I did it before. There's no shame in that. This is a great tool to get started with.